Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to troubleshoot a critical issue that many of you might face with pallet jacks: hydraulic pump leakage. I'll share valuable into the common causes of hydraulic pump leakage, how to detect it, and, most importantly, how to fix it with precision. To kick things off, let's dive into the heart of the matter. What causes hydraulic pump leakage in pallet jacks? Hydraulic pumps operate at high pressures and are exposed to intense heat during regular operations. Over time, these high pressures and heat contribute to wear and tear on the pump components. A leak occurs when fluid bypasses the pump shaft. This can occur due to various factors, including worn seals, damaged gaskets, loose connections, and a cracked or punctured pump body. An important thing to be noted here is that when fluid bypasses the pump shaft, it may not always be visible, but it can have serious consequences on the pallet jack system. The leaked hydraulic fluid can lead to a reduction in the overall fluid level within the system. Therefore, the remaining hydraulic fluid becomes thinner and less effective at lubricating and cooling the system components. This increases the operating temperature of the hydraulic pump. Consequently, this high temperature can lead to aeration and cavitation within the hydraulic fluid, which further exacerbates the issue. Aeration refers to the incorporation of air bubbles into the fluid, while cavitation is the formation and collapse of vapor cavities within the fluid due to rapid pressure changes. Both of these phenomena can cause serious damage to the hydraulic pump and accelerate the deterioration of seals and gaskets. Detecting hydraulic pump leaks is crucial, and it starts with keen observations. There could be two types of hydraulic leaks in a pallet jack: external and internal. External leaks are more evident as they result in slick fluid puddles, but internal leaks can be tricky. Look for signs like unusual pump noises, slower pump operation, and, most importantly, increased fluid temperature. Like any temperature above 180 degrees Fahrenheit must be avoided, as it damages most seal compounds and accelerates oil degradation. These are red flags that shouldn't be ignored. You can use a hydraulic flow tester, ultrasonic detector, or bench testing system to locate the pallet jack hydraulic pump leak and make repairs. Now, let's get down to business and talk about fixing hydraulic pump leakage in pallet jacks. First things first, you'll need the right tools for the job. Gather up your toolbox. You'll likely need wrenches, pliers, a hydraulic flow tester, an ultrasonic detector, and hydraulic sealant. Safety glasses and gloves are a must. Step 1 in fixing any hydraulic leak is to identify the source. Carefully inspect your pallet jack hydraulic pump, paying close attention to potential leak points. These could be seals, gaskets, pump shafts, or hydraulic connections. Identifying the source accurately is half the battle. If the pump body has broken, there is no better alternative recommendation than replacing the entire hydraulic pump with a new one. However, if the leak is due to damaged seals and gaskets, it's time to roll up your sleeves and replace those worn seals or gaskets. Remember, precision is key here. Use the manufacturer's recommended sealants and gaskets and lubricate them properly during installation. A small misstep can lead to another leak down the road. Besides, don't underestimate the importance of properly torqued hydraulic fittings and their connections. Any loose fitting can result in a persistent leak. Check all hydraulic connections and tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque values to ensure a secure and leak-free system. Along with this, applying hydraulic sealant can be a game changer. It creates an extra layer of protection, ensuring a tight seal. However, it's essential to choose the right sealant compatible with your hydraulic system and follow the application instructions diligently. With the leak fixed, it's time to refill your pallet jack's hydraulic oil reservoir. Be sure to use the correct type of hydraulic oil and maintain the recommended fluid level. This step is crucial to ensure proper lubrication and cooling of the system. Testing is the final frontier. Raise and lower your pallet jack and carefully observe for any signs of leakage. Ensure that the system is operating smoothly and quietly. If everything checks out, give your pallet jack a final cleaning to remove any residual oil or debris. And that's how you fix a leaky pallet jack hydraulic pump. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we will try to answer them as soon as possible. Now, before we wrap up, I would like to introduce you to our dedicated platform, PalletJackson.com. A comprehensive solution for all your pallet jack maintenance requirements. Our website is a hub for premium quality parts across a diverse range of makes and models, from hydraulic components to electrical parts, load support systems, and other crucial accessories. We provide them all at the most competitive prices in the market. Make Pallet Jackson your go-to resource for every pallet jack needs. The link to our website is in the description. Please make sure to visit. Until then, thank you once again for watching and see you next time. Ciao.